Since 1983, Lyco Manufacturing has been an industry leader in the root crop peeling and scrubbing for white potatoes, sweet potatoes, beets, and carrots. We also offer washers for washing apples for cider and juice applications and washing pickles. We have over 400 systems throughout the industry. Lyco offers a complete family of designs depending upon your specific needs and applications. The Warhorse peeler was developed in 1983 and is our oldest model. These peelers are economical with the fewest parts per roll assembly on the market, and these units only have a single bearing on one end. Grease manifolds are run to one common manifold for greasing. The Lyco Warhorse peelers are hydraulically driven, which makes these systems very simple and reliable. We offer 3 different size units, a 7-roll, an 8-roll, and a 9-roll peeler. We are constantly listening to our customers' needs for sanitary designs, simplicity, and reliability. As a result, Lyco developed the Bull Jr., which is our new generation design root crop peeler and scrubber, and it's the most sanitary unit on the market. This design is all electric, which makes the unit cleaner and quieter to operate. Allen Bradley PLC controls are also very user-friendly for changing roll and auger speeds. The unit's frame is a unibody design. The Bull Jr. cover opens on both sides and the auger can be raised for easy inspection and cleaning. This also makes it easy to remove rolls or perform any other maintenance on the machine. Abrasive peeling capacities range from 2,000 pounds per hour up to 10,000 pounds per hour. After steam peeling of potatoes or carrots, capacities range from 15,000 to 40,000 pounds per hour. Washing pickles or apples, capacities range from 15,000 all the way up to 45,000 pounds per hour. In the early 2000s, Lyco released the Raging Bull high-speed peeler. Typical roll speeds on conventional units are 300 to 450 revolutions per minute. The Raging Bull has balanced rolls that run at 1100 revolutions per minute, which lowers water usage and increases capacity. This design also has a 2-way flip-top cover, which raises the cover for easier sanitation and roll changeouts. Finally, the Raging Bull unit also is all electric. All 3 Lyco designs come standard with a full-length auger that controls the precise retention time of the product, resulting in improved recovery by 1.8 to 2.8%. For more information about the Warhorse peelers or any other Lyco machines, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.